Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error, that is lghub.exe system error. The code execution cannot proceed because ffmpeg.dll was not found. So if you are receiving this error message, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now this error is related to lghub software which is installed on your computer. So in my case here I can see Logitech ghub. So if this is installed, you have to go ahead and uninstall it first. So go to the start menu, then click on settings. Now go to apps and then click on apps and features and find Logitech ghub over here. So here you can see Logitech ghub. So click on uninstall, click on yes to allow and let the uninstallation complete. So click on uninstall once again. Now after the uninstall, restart your computer. So click on quit now and then restart your computer. Make sure that you restart your computer first. Do not shut down, just click on restart. Now after the system restart, go to this website, go to Logitech website. The link is provided in the video description and download the latest version of Logitech ghub from Logitech website. So you have to download the latest version. So if you need this software, download the latest version and then once the download is complete, run this exe file and then install it, and that should go ahead and help you to fix this error message. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.